Welcome to NextSmartShip's new office tour. This is our 6th year helping clients shipping globally from China, and it's our 3rd new office in Shenzhen, so we're pretty excited. And today is our very first day in our new office, so we're pretty excited. Let me show you guys what is around. We have some colleagues that have been here since NextSmartShip established, so let's go ask them how do they think about the new changes. If you could describe NextSmartShip in one word, what would that be?
I think it's infinite, because I think NextSmartShip has infinite bright future. Splendid.
环境挺好的，然后就是离地铁很近，然后我们刚刚去吃饭，就是发现有点贵，对。
What is your favorite part about working at NextSmartShip?
I enjoy every time when the different clients come to China and visit our office and also our warehouse.
Hey David, if you could describe NextSmartShip in one word, what would that be?
That's a good question. I say obsessed. We're obsessed with our customer satisfaction. Their success could turn to our success.
Yeah. That's very interesting. So June, if you could describe NextSmartShip in one word, what would that be?
I would say friendship.
That's it?
I like how everyone is friends here, and it doesn't matter like from which department, and even with the boss, it's like everybody's like friends.
Yeah, that's true. Andy, 你觉得新办公室怎么样？
从下单到拿到咖啡只需要1分钟时间，很好 ，nice。
Hey Ray, what's your favorite part of the office? Alex, what's your favorite part about working at NextSmartShip?
I think it's the people here is very nice, and I love to working here.
Okay, so Kai, if you could describe NextSmartShip in one word, what would that be?
I would say relaxing. In NextSmartShip, everyone's so relaxing, from customer service to the IT team to sales. Everyone just love their work. We play all the time and we work all the time. We play hard and we work hard. So you look around, really everyone's just happy to be here.
Now let's catch up with our CEO William and see how he feels. Hi William.
Hello Casey.
Hi. So it's our first day in our new office.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
So I feel like very exciting today because I still can remember like 5 years ago I founded this company, and at that time we just rented a very tiny, very small office. The monthly rental fee is around like 10,000 per month, so it's very cheap. So at that time I haven't expected we can move to so fancy, so good office, but we did it.
Yeah, good for us.
Yeah, so I just want to create an environment can make all the colleagues feel like more convenient, more comfortable.
Yeah.
So and also we just want to thank all the customers to supporting us. Thank you. So what do you feel about the new office?
I really like it. It's very convenient. You can just go straight to the mall downstairs.
Yeah, and also actually it's a Bay Area here.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like the Bay Area in the United States. So it's very good place here. So I hope every client to come to our office to visit.
Yes. We look forward to seeing you in 2025.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, William.
Thank you.
Okay.